We have an opportunity right now to overturn Roe versus Wade, but some things have to happen first. I believe that Judge Kavanaugh could give us that vote we need to eventually overturn Roe. Fingers crossed. Chief Justice Roberts, Justice Thomas, Justice Alito, Justice Gorsuch, and Justice Kavanaugh. This would give us 5 votes, the 5 votes we need to overturn Roe and Doe. Now, before the Supreme Court can make a decision to overturn Roe and Doe, they're going to need a good abortion-related case that challenges the essential premise of Roe. And right now, there are several cases making their way through federal courts, and there are several pieces of state legislation that are being proposed and voted on. The Supreme Court would also have to rule that states have the right to regulate and prohibit abortion under the 10th Amendment, as this would essentially overturn Roe, which doesn't make abortion illegal, but will return the fight for abortion back to the states, where individual states will be able to choose whether or not they will permit abortion within their borders. I believe, and so do our friends at the Center for Reproductive Rights, a pro-abortion legal group, believe that if Roe were overturned right now, we would have at least 20 states that would outlaw abortion. Thankfully, a majority of states, because of pro-life voters, have pro-life legislature control and or pro-life governors. Take that in for a second. We're talking about ending Roe v. Wade. Hundreds of thousands of innocent lives will be saved. But as I said, the fight to end abortion would just move to the states. And Students for Life is ready. We have more than 1,200 groups that we serve in all 50 states who are prepared to do the necessary work to abolish abortion. We are organized and we are ready to fight to restrict abortion in any way we can, whether it's passing a late-term abortion law or it's stopping taxpayer funding of groups like Planned Parenthood and their allies. We have the chance to end Roe and Doe. We have the chance to save the lives of hundreds of thousands of innocent children. We have the chance to spare women and families the agony of abortion. And now's the time to push forward and see through our vision of a nation without abortion.